Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here. The name on the front intrigues me because I didn't even recognize the name, so yeah, double mystery. Literally no idea what's in there. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find a link from my Patreon right down in the description. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Very intriguing. I have a couple of other boxes over here that I could have chosen for this video. This is in my day-to-day. I try to record, for anybody who's curious, I record about four times a day. Anywhere from 3 to 5. Yeah, this is my last video record. So the last video you'll see today, and it's the last time I'm going to record today. And I chose this one because I just didn't recognize the name on the front. So, oh, we have a Benchmade. And I'm checking for other contents. Some paper towels, which do make good packing material. Alright, wait a second. Oh boy, oh hey, yeah, I'm excited now. Here we go. YouTube channel, Triple E EDC. So check out Triple E EDC on YouTube. Thank you so much for sending this. This, I've not yet reviewed. I don't think I've even ever handled this. This is the new, boy, this is brand spanking new. Okay, this is, here we go. Turn up the exposure. The 945BK-1 or Mini 940, essentially is what this is. This is cool. I've never experienced this. So, I like the 940. I think the 940 is one of the greatest EDC folding knives of all time, and I think making it smarter, Benchmade made this knife smarter than the 9. Making it smaller was a smart move. That way, some people who either don't want the overall size of the original 940, or maybe let's check the length on that blade. Perhaps there's another reason to pick this up. Yeah, it's under 3 inches. So if you live in an area where you're restricted by a 3-inch knife law, you can enjoy the 940 in a smaller form. It does translate well. It's nice and smooth. You can do the reverse flick. You can do the thumb flick. Yeah, it does. Now, this does create for a, looking at a 3.5 finger grip. I'm not going to call that quite an absolute 4-finger grip. You can get more. I thought for sure it would just be 3. I can get about 3.5, and I'm falling off the edge here, right? If you have smaller hands than mine, maybe you can get a full grip on it. Larger hands, definitely not. But yeah, this is cool, and I sure do like the color combo. That's nice. Blue and black, that looks great. Blade steel, yeah, I figured S30V. Oh, first production. Oh, neato. Oh boy, that pocket clip. Well, I'd recommend you switch that pocket clip out. Fortunately, Benchmade does offer a wide variety of different pocket clips, and most of them fit the other models. They're universal, right? Something like this. Oh yeah, that'd work just ever so nicely. It'd be perfect on this guy. Very, very cool. Well, I will link this guy down below. I'm not sure if it's available, but if it's not, you can sign up for email notifications for the next wave, because I'm certain these are going to be popular. If they're not, maybe this is available and all this dialogue is totally unnecessary. Whether you're watching this the day that I uploaded it or you're watching it in the future, check the link. If it's there, great. If it's not, sign up for email notifications. That way you can get your hands on it the next time it releases. This is cool. I'm hoping we see different variations of this. I'm really glad they went with G10 and not aluminum. I mean, not the green aluminum anyway. They could have gone with black aluminum. That would have been fine. But I like the layered G10 look. Man, this area back here just really pops. It looks just as nice in person as it does on camera. It almost glows. Boy, that's nice. I really like that. Very, very nice. Centering's perfect. How about blade play? Oh yeah, we're good. Good job. Benchmade's been getting better and better with that. When I handle new models, quality control seems to have taken a step in the right direction, so that's nice to see. Once again, the model number 945BK-1. Just use my link. It'll go right there. And thanks again, Triple E EDC. Is there anything else in here? It's just a piece of paper was perfectly folded to plug his YouTube channel right away. Check out Triple E EDC and make sure to follow me, if I can pick it up, on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing and first impressions video that is definitely not a review, because the review will come 2 weeks down the road. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.